Is overthinking a sign of anxiety?
So overthinking is actually a form of anxiety. So all the thoughts that you have while you're overthinking a particular things are always driven or filled with worry. So yes, overthinking is a sign of anxiety, but anxiety also causes you to overthink on every little issue that is around you.
Is seeking help a sign of weakness?
No, it's the other way around. No, if you're seeking help, that means you're aware, you have courage, you have the strength to go out and tell somebody that I need help. The fact that you understand you have a problem is the first step to healing. So no, seeking help is a sign of courage and strength.
A person who likes to keep things in place, does that mean he has OCD?
Okay. Now there's a fine line between me wanting to keep things clean and me obsessively fussing over things to be in their place. If I just want things to be clean, or I want things to be in place, or I like the place to be neat, clean and tidy, I just have fond for cleanliness. But if I'm obsessing over it, if I'm making people do it, if I'm getting restless when things are not in place, then it is a sign of OCD. Do not confuse the two.
Can people function well and still be depressed?
Yes, depression can be masked. You can cover it with your emotions. There are a lot of people who are depressed, but then they continue with their daily task, they do their daily things, and they put a mask on, they smile, they continue with the socializing with other people. So depression need not always be obvious.
Can burnout happen without workload increase?
Burnout need not be you physically working out to exhaust yourself physically. The fact that you are actually thinking about task on hand, even if you're laying down and constantly thinking what needs to be done, is causing your mind to burn out. So yes, burnout can happen and affect you emotionally without you actually getting up to do that particular task.
Is it normal to feel guilty often?
Guilt, regret, jealousy, these are all forms of human emotions. Feeling guilty, sometimes it's normal, but too much of guilt for every little thing can be a sign of emotional distress. Kindly seek counseling, therapy, or any form of talk therapy to get out of it.